You guys like hanging out under the porch with all the cobwebs? Come on, girls. Come on. Come on, girls. Out you go. Yeah, they'll come out on their own. Hey, girls. Lemon. You're tailless. Tailless chicken. I checked her this morning, and there's new pins coming in. Let me try to show you guys. She ain't gonna let me show. She ain't gonna let me get close enough without me stressing her out, but... Jeremy, you're looking pretty. Yeah, yes, you. My sister's scooter. They really seem to like these kayaks right here. Now this shrubbery. Oh yeah, almost forgot. I want to show you guys something I found out yesterday. Let's see if I can... Okay. I'm doing the best I can. Let's see if you can see it okay. Can you see it? I hope so.